This 2025 Jayco Swift 20A is a Class B RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 20 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, refrigerator, air conditioning, spare tire kit, water heater, LP detector, microwave, auxiliary battery, awning, TV, stovetop burner, and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2025 Jayco Swift 20A is built on a ProMaster 3500 chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.